Good day, I am Michael Anton Peralta Bagalayos, 24 years old. I live in Santa Ignacia, Tarlac, Philippines, and I graduated at Tarlac Agricultural University last June 2023 with the degree of Bachelor of Animal Science. My first job was a dairy farmer here in the Philippines located at Iloilo. The month of June 2023, after I graduated, they absorbed me because my outcome in my on-the-job training when I was in college. And after that, November 2023, I flew to USA to participate agricultural training as a poultry farmer. My experience with that on a 1-year contract, it is good because I enhanced my knowledge on farming, especially on poultry industry, and I learned a lot. My skills are adaptability, problem solving, and critical thinking. All of that helps me to learn and enhance my skills, knowledge. And next is when I was bored or after work or this off work, I used to play my favorite sport, basketball, and hang out with my friends to recharge my and have a work-life balance.